we are working to finalize comprehensive NEV policy guidelines that do not exclude alternative technologies such as hybrids and plug-in hybrids. So consideration must be given to incentives for manufacturers, as well as what will please you, tax rebates or subsidies for consumers to accelerate uptake of electric vehicles. This is not just about creating a greener future, but also about ensuring South Africa remains competitive in the global market. As many of our major trading partners rapidly shift towards EVs, it is also imperative that we remain part of this global supply chain. If we don't, we will be left behind. This is a major industrialization opportunity for our country and the region as well, particularly within the context of the African Continental Free Trade Area. This will position South Africa as a forward-thinking green economy. It will advance our aspirations to be a global automotive hub. As government, we remain firmly committed to the work that is already underway to improve the operational performance of our energy, freight, and logistics sectors, all of which directly impacts the automotive industry.